Welcome, in front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device doesn't want to recognize your fingerprint. Well, in such case, you'll have to set up a new fingerprint for your smartphone. But first, let's make a few forward steps to make sure that this time it works properly. So let's go into the settings, then select biometrics and password, select your fingerprints, confirm, remove all your previous fingerprints, and let's set up a new one. But this time, before adding a new fingerprint, let's wipe the surface at which we'll be placing our finger with the dry towel to make sure that it's clear and smooth and it reads our fingerprints properly. Proceed by adding a new fingerprint to your device. And we're done. And once you're done, let's head back into the settings and then go into security and privacy section and check if our device is up to date. After you check if your device finds any update for your phone, download and install them. Keeping your smartphone up to date helps you keep your features working properly. So after we install an update, let's restart our phone and then check if we can log into our device. And after the phone is restarted, let's check if it recognizes our fingerprint properly. So let's lock it and try to unlock it using our fingerprints. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly. So if it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you next time.